The federal judge weighing the release of Kilmar Abrego Garcia slammed testimony by a senior ICE official in court yesterday, saying his answers were, quote, the worst of all. Abrego Garcia's lawyer also criticized the testimony.
Mr. Cantú was very candid with the court, and he had no qualms about admitting that he had no personal knowledge whatsoever and that he was acting as a mouthpiece for a State Department lawyer who told him what to say.
And CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman joins us now to explain the case, which has been pretty hard to follow at times. Katrina, good morning. What did this ICE official say that got the judge so angry?
I mean, he just didn't know anything about his own declaration, Michael. The judge ended up saying that it was clear that the witness knows, quote, zero information about the contents of the declaration. He said he basically learned what he was supposed to say on it from a 5-minute Teams call. So she was very dismayed about the fact that he couldn't speak to why Costa Rica has been taken off the table for Kilmar Abrego Garcia. Just as a reminder, they had offered it to him if he pled guilty in his criminal case, where he's accused of human smuggling in Tennessee. Now suddenly they've changed it to sending him to Liberia. And Kilmar Abrego Garcia has actually agreed that he would go to Costa Rica if they would let him, because he feels he'll be protected there and given those assurances.
And why is the government saying that Costa Rica is now off the table?
You know, it's not completely clear, but they say that Costa Rica reversed course. There would need to be continuing negotiations. And what the government's attorney argued is that it's in the best interest of the U.S. now to send him to an African country. That would be Liberia, they say. But it's also important to note that a big issue that came up yesterday is whether there's even an order of removal for Kilmar Abrego Garcia in the first place. The judge questioned this, Michael. She said there's no order on the docket. That is an order saying he actually has to leave this country. Now, the government says that when this protective order was given by a judge saying that he couldn't be sent to El Salvador, that was the whole issue in the first place when he was sent to CCOT, implicitly it meant that he could be removed from this country, that there was a final order of removal. But Kilmar Abrego Garcia's attorneys say that this actually could just make this entire case crumble if there's no order of removal here. What the judge also finally said was, you can't fake it till you make it. You have to have it. You have to have that order. It has to be memorialized, and she does not have it.
A lot of twists and turns in this case. Katrina Kaufman, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.